Hello, hello, hello.
Good evening to everybody. Can you hear me? Hello, hello, hello. It is audible. Hello, 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 hello. It is audible. Yes. Now, yesterday, equi-join returns are matching rows. That's why what I'm telling, How you are given the guarantee, equi-join, returns and matching rows means simple technique is there. Execution, you have an idea, all the things are possible. Okay, what is the execution of the where joins, you have an idea. Then easily you are also telling about, oh, this is the matching rows, it will be returned. I'm telling or not? Yes, here. But unfortunately, how we are discussing that concept here, joins execution means non-equi-join through we are starting. Non-equi-join means other than is equal to operator, whatever operators are there, through that one we are retrieving a data from multiple tables. One example I am telling only, but you are not writing in that example yesterday. And now here, observe here, what is that example? I am inserting a what? Some data into where that table. Okay, fine. In a data, just like this only. And now today you are only noted down these all the things only. Just I am inserting a what? That data. Okay, fine. Yes, here. This is a table. 10 and 20 is a what? A data in a one table. Again, another table I am creating only. In that table also any data I'm inserting, but one extra department number I'm inserting a what? Yesterday or not? Yes, here 10, 20 and 30 we are inserting. Commit means save, that is not required, later you are familiar. Okay, fine. Now here check it out. Here this is a T1 is a table and also this is a T2 is a table. Once these tables are there, equi-join everyone knows like this only. And now here, but equi-join I don't want. Here I am writing a what? A non-equi-join. Yesterday we are writing a what? Non-equi-join. Any operator other than. So now other than is equal to operator. That is a what? Non-equi-join. Non-equi-join only. Okay, na? Yes, here. This is a join. Yesterday we are telling only. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Concentrate here. Now check it out. Yes, here. Okay, up to this one we are discussing how it will be executed. Yes, take a value from the left hand side table and this value compared with all other values in a right hand side table. I am drawing at that execution today. Don't worry. Again, take a left side one value and that was compared with all values in a where another table. Okay, yes, that is the way up to this one. Yesterday we are discussing this example. Write it. This example yesterday you are not noted down example. No, yeah. Then after session, I'm copying this one only. Just write it this example. Not completed that equi-joins and all these things. Why? Because that is alias names are there. Those all the things today we are learning. Queries. Some knowledge is required. Again, another non-equi-joins are another concept. Right? This example, write it. Definition already yesterday you are writing. Yes, examples, write it. This is a table. A dot 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 means values your own wish. Okay, I am inserting 10, 20. Okay, yeah. This is a test one table. Just this example, write it. This table under 10, 20 data. Second table also write it. Okay, now this data also, your second table, this data also you are noted down. This data, write it in this table, second table, 10, 20, 30. I'm installing, yeah. I'm inserting 10, 20, 30. Simple, easy. It gives here greater than I'm using. That's why easy understandable. Not only this one, any operator also we have to check it out. Okay, next. These tables just you have to select it. Okay, idea purpose. These two tables. Yes, very good. This non-equijoin, write it. Finished? Finished? Hello, completed? Yes. Why I'm telling you what this example means executions understandable purpose. That's why now you are writing a what executions. And now execution, how can I already yesterday we are telling left hand side table, one column, one value it will be taking. That value is compared with the what? All other values in another table. Again, another value it will be taking, compare all other values in another table. Simple, no? Yes, here. Now all are writing this one, 2010. And now executions, write it. Execution. Showing execution purpose. Execution. Execution means theoretically don't write it. Just okay, note it down diagrammatically enough. This is a two tables are there. No, these are the two tables. Okay, yeah. Now here, how you are writing? After writing these two tables, 10 we have to take it. This 10 is greater than 10. No. This value compared with all other values, no. 10 is greater than 20. No. Here 10 is greater than 30. Okay, not greater than anything also. Okay, yeah. Now here, but here second case, it will take a what? This 20. Okay, na? Yes, 20 is compared with all other values. 20 is greater than 10. Yes. Again, 20 is greater than 20. No. Again, 20 is greater than 30. This is the way two tables write it and draw like this only. Then easily understandable. Without reading any articles also, you are also telling very easy way. Oh, this much of easy. Just draw like that. Completed fast. Completed very good. Yes, this one compared with all values, the second value compared with all values. Okay, yes, that is the way you are drawing is enough. Up to this one, yesterday we are discussing, okay, now very important. Two real-time concepts are there. Concentrate in a join side. Up to now, I am not telling. Today, I am telling only. Very important. Don't confusing only. Very important. These two real-time concepts you must familiar, mandatory, you must familiar that one. But without using that one also working. But project side very important. One is today alias name, table alias name in a joins, I will tell you. Another one is future ambiguity side, I will tell you something. Those two things are mandatory to know in a where every database programmer, not a Oracle. Then only I'm telling you about queries. In a okay, equi-join, non-equi-join queries you are writing means then all the things understandable. Okay, yeah. Now check it out. First observe it here. Actually, anybody asking what a compulsory join question, they're asking only write a join only in these tables. They're asking me is you are writing a what from EMP comma DEPT like this, immediately interviewer rejected. Why? Because joins means compulsory, you are creating a alias name, mandatory. EMPE, DEPTD like this. Why this alias names? What is that one? Suppose yesterday I am not using a table alias name also working, but project side why they are preferring only those, all the things I will tell you. Most powerful concept. Now here, check it out. That's why yesterday I'm not telling only because a little bit of first time newcomer. No, now slowly you're understandable. Now check it out. Avoiding side heading. Avoiding future ambiguity. This is important. First, future ambiguity. Avoiding future ambiguity in joins. This is real-time concept. Slowly observe. Not only Oracle, but database. Avoiding future ambiguity in joins. What is this one? And now check it out. Slowly observe it here. 5 minutes you are observing means you are understandable. Now check it out. This is a table is there, for example, EMP table. Now here, check it out. This is a EMP table is there. Slowly observe it here. This is a EMP table. And also this is a DEPT table. Yesterday, what I am telling, okay, equi-join you are telling, in a join we are taking. How we are writing equi-join yesterday? Anybody have an idea? Select whatever columns we have to specify, those columns. Okay, fine. Yes, here. Whatever columns you are interested to display, those columns only are now here like this. From table 1, comma, table 2, where equi-join means table name 1 dot common column name department number is equal to table 2 dot common column name. Yesterday we are discussing. But unfortunately, when we are trying to display common column in a select state, select keyword after, then ambiguity error is occurred, I am telling. Okay, na? Yes, here. For avoiding ambiguity, Oracle Corporation giving a what simple, just which table common column we are trying to display means server is confusing. That's why you are intimating to server which table common column you want. That table name dot operator we are using. That's why EMP table common column you want means EMP dot. A DEPT table common column you want means DEPT dot DEPT table column I want means DEPT dot. EMP table column I want means EMP dot we are using. This is the way we are avoiding ambiguity. This is everyone knows. Okay, fine. This is everyone knows automatically working. But unfortunately, what is real-time concept means observe here, concentrate. Actually, presently, up to today, this query is working in a project correctly. Okay, this query is working in a project. Why? Because the table, EMP table columns like that only, DEPT table columns, okay, whatever up to now, those columns are available. But unfortunately, slowly observe here, we are imagination. Suppose here, this is a DEPT and EMP tables are there. In a e-name is a column is there. For example, imagination, employee number, e-name, so many columns are there no, in a EMP table. Now again here department number, D name, location is there in a where? In your DEPT table. D name and location is there, for example, okay, in a DEPT table. Suddenly my database administrator, maybe project side, and now check it out, observe here. In a database administrator, in a project side only, just whatever e-name column is there in this table, maybe they're adding a what this column, e-name column into where, example side, e-name column into where this DEPT table, maybe alter with the add is there, no, through that one they're adding only, for example, they're changing a table structure. Just they're adding a what e-name is a column into where this DEPT table, that e-name column is available in EMP table, that column is adding in a where DEPT table only. Now we are executing a what same query. This is working or not working? Very good. Not working. Why? Because again it will give us a what error. Column ambiguously defined is a error. Column ambiguously defined. Why again ambiguously defined error it will be written means, yes, reason is there. In a previous case, e-name is not there in both the tables, but in this case, e-name is a common column. This e-name is available in where? Both the tables only. That's why again this one will be confusing or not. That's why presently there is no problem also. Maybe in a future, just maybe in a future, these two tables having a what? Maybe same columns are there. Maybe some fellows are adding a what columns in a very future, in a maybe in a database administrator for another requirement base. In that case, okay, so automatically maybe up to this one correctly working also, maybe in a future ambiguity error is occurred. For avoiding a what future ambiguity purpose in a real time, whenever you are joining in a company side, everyone telling a what project managers, they're telling only, yes, whenever you are using a joins, please be specify every column name before table name dot they are writing. That's why in a real time project side, otherwise in a okay dummy projects in a where PLSQL in a net you are observing means every column name before table name dot is there. Every column name before table name dot is there. Big table names are there actually. And now here every column name before table name dot is there. Every column name before table name dot is there. Outside not required. Outside you are learning means confusing. Oh, what is that one ambiguity? Something only. That's why what I'm intimating to you, some just I am telling a what. So now here a note, okay, so now some small theory I'm telling. That's why in every relational database system in the worldwide, avoiding a ambiguity in a future, for avoiding a future ambiguity, generally for avoiding a future ambiguity, we must specify table name along with every column name by using a dot operator within a select list. That's why within a select list, table name dot, table name dot we are specifying only. That is not required in our outside practice purpose, but company side required only. Mandatory, that concept only. Mandatory in a project side, not outside. That's why avoiding a future ambiguity in a joins means very important in a project side. Write it. Generally for avoiding ambiguity, future ambiguity, right? Future Generally, for avoiding future ambiguity, then we must specify. Table name along with every column name by using dot operator, within select list. Select list means after select keyword. Okay, within select list means after select keyword. No, yes, within select list means after select keyword. Here observe table name dot table name dot table name dot table name dot table name dot. No, yes, example don't write it, because that is we are practicing, means outside confusing only. In a project set, compulsory this will be there. That purpose, okay, anybody joining in a company side, those persons purpose I am telling. Up to that one, normally practice it. Okay, na? Yes, now, not completed. Again, another thing is there. Now check it out. Whenever in a real-time project side, you are observing or not, just here, whenever we are using these type of things, one problem is there. In a real-time project side, tables are not a simple table names. Very big names are there. So much of name is there here. Actually, EMP underscore, now here purchase underscore, now here yes, sales underscore, transaction underscore. So that's why a big table name is there. Here also DEPT is a big table names are there. And also so many tables are very big name, more than 30 characters are available. And also, yes, not only single two tables, so many tables also there. And also these columns are so many number of columns are there. In that case, every big table name dot column name, every big table name dot column name, every big table name dot column name means whenever we are debugging a query, not a flexible, very difficult to read. That's why always to avoid that complex queries purpose, easiness purpose only, whenever we are referring a table more number of times in a query, in a join query, in those big names, okay, so we are using means not a flexible one. That's why in every database in the worldwide, in place of this big table name, just some alias name they are giving only, the small name they are giving only, that is called a table alias name. Once they are creating another name for the where table within a from class, where that big table name is there, in place of that one alias name they are using. Here small name E, again small name E, within the DEPT place here D, like this only. Now for example here DEPT D we are using only like this. These are called table alias name, where the which one table name is there, in place of that one a table alias name they are using only. Why we are using these alias names means in a flexibility purpose and easiness purpose? No. Actually, these small names, table alias names, in place of table name, we are using in a select list and where clause. Then these queries are improve performance of the query, improve performance, very fastly executed in place of table name. Why? Because table name means very big names only. In place of big names means, suppose this much a big name means each and every character is a 1 byte. Suppose okay, so now 30 characters, 40 characters in a where in a table name they are giving means 40 bytes of memory is allocated. In place of that one, only 1 byte we are giving means automatically which one? Yes, here memory, okay, occupied memory is very less only. That's why those queries are very fastly it will be executed, that much of powerful. That's why in a project side performance is very important. That's why anybody writing any joins also compulsory they are telling which one they are asking use a table alias names they are telling. Very important concept. Actually without without alias names also working. I'm agree. Okay, so now outside queries, but unfortunately project side performance plays a major important role. That's why just whatever with these queries, joins queries up to now we are writing like this only: ename comma salary comma DEPT. Okay, so now dot DEPT number you are writing comma dname comma location you are writing only from EMP comma DEPT we are writing where EMP dot DEPT number is equal to DEPT dot department number you are writing. In a project side you are observing means like this only queries are not there. Compulsory they are using alias names, table alias names. How much importance in a table alias names in a self join side I will tell you, but before that one just introduction purpose only. In a from clause in place of these big table names, another names, small names they are using EMPE, DEPT D, like this. These are reference name for the tables. Once we are creating a what table alias names in a from clause, where the which one a table name is there in a select list, in place of that one alias name we are using. Where the table name is there in a where clause, in place of that name alias name we are using. Where the table name is there in a where clause, in that place alias name they are using. This is the way originally the queries they are writing in a joins. Whenever anybody interviewer asking in either in SQL Server, either in MySQL, either in DB2, in a equi-join or non-equi-join or self-join or outer join, in a join also compulsory you are writing alias names. If you are not writing a what table alias name, you are a fake candidate, easily they are identifying interview. Why? Because project side mandatory, because performance is very important in our project side. Write it. Now without alias name outside working, but project side I am telling only. Write it. That's why using alias name side heading. Using alias names in joins. Every database this one. Without using alias name also working. Now, but using alias name is our most powerful. Okay. Highest performance, very fastly it will be retrieved the data, every database. Write it. In all relational databases, write it. All relational. In all relational databases. In all relational databases. Memory management means self-join set, I will tell you, don't worry. In all relational databases. For improve performance of the join, performance means very fastly it will be retrieved. For improve performance of the join, then we can also use, then we can also use alias names. Alias names means another names. Okay, don't worry. Alias names in from class. 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 Okay, now not a full stop. Then write it. Then those alias names, write it. Then those alias names must be specified. In place of table names. In place of table names within select list. Within select list and also within joining condition. Within joining condition. Syntax rated, but this alias name table okay, so now of your memory management self join side I will tell you, but up to that one normally write it. Bookish knowledge this one. Syntax rated. Syntax from table name one space alias name. This is a table alias name. In a olden days column alias names are there. In a future permanent alias names, synonyms are there. Different alias names. Alias name one, alias name is another name. Table name 2 place alias name 2. Write it. This is syntax, write it. Write it some other theory. These alias names, sorry, these table alias names means another names. These table alias names are also called as reference names for the tables. Reference names for the tables. These table alias names, must be different names. These table alias names must be different names. In place of big names, small names, they are telling only nothing. Okay, na? And now example, write it. Example only, write it. This query, write it. That's why joins means compulsory alias names through we are writing in a project side. Write it, this equi-join query. One example. In a from clause only, we are creating alias names where the table name is there. In place of that one alias name, we are using in a select list and joining condition. This one, write it. Just creating a from clause and an alias name, another name. In place of that one, just we are using a what? Table name place alias name. Based on this knowledge, now we are starting a what? Queries. Queries are important, very, very important. These two are extra concepts only project side. Now queries very, very, very important. Write it side heading. Equi-join queries. Equi-join queries. Side heading, very, very important. These are all the things most powerful. Now onwards, very, very important. Now concentrate. Now onwards, I am using a what? Alias names only in my queries. Okay, na? Yeah, better practice outside also. Now check it out. What is equi-join queries? Means one by one we are learning. Very interesting, very important. Suppose now check it out. Up to now we are writing a queries. How can I e-name I want to display, salary I want to display, means how can I select e-name comma salary from EMP? But unfortunately I want to display e-name from EMP table, salary from EMP table, means both the columns are same table, join is not required. But unfortunately here I'm asking a location is a column, e-name is a column from EMP table and a location is a column from which one? DEPT table. And these two different columns I want to display by using a joins. Possible? Compulsory join is required. Suppose by using equi-join, I want to display e-name and location. How can I? Anybody tell me how can I select? Don't write it. Select e-name, e-name is a comma, LOC location from EMP E. And now here yes, DEPTT. Here alias names are not required. Also practicing is important. Where E dot department number is equal to D dot DEPT number. Up to this one, okay. But unfortunately, what is the entry question means? I don't want to display all the employees and all the locations. Only who are the employees are working in the location. Suppose here Dallas, otherwise Chicago. Suppose here Chicago is the data is there or not. These employees only I want to display. All other employees I don't want to display. After joining condition, I want to filter the data. That is important. I want to display the employees who are working in the location Chicago like this only. This is the output I want only. Yes, here in a 9i joins are different, but 8i joins in these join side, how can I filter the data? Most powerful only. Here, this is the output I want. How can I miss? First query, write it. One by one queries are there. Write it. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are working in the location, who are working in the location. Location means LOC column is there, don't worry. Chicago. Chicago is a data is there, don't worry. Who are working in the location Chicago from EMP, DEPT tables by using equijoin. This is the first query. By using equijoin, write a query to display the employees who are working in the location Chicago from EMP, DEPT tables by using equijoin. Enjoy, write it. Suppose here this is output I want. How you are writing, write it. Maybe anybody writing means great. The one is important. Only alias names, that one is little bit of difficult, but this one was again easy. Queries are most powerful. Into your queries only they're asking. Write a query to display the employees who are working in the location Chicago from EMP, DEPT tables by using equijoin. Anybody writing first time newcomer? Great. Why? Because something is there. Some fellows are guessing, some fellows are maybe their own logical side they are writing, I think. Join, okay, some other thing is there. This is 9i side different and 8i join side different. Without alias name working, but alias name through practice is better. Okay, yeah. Okay, now observe it here. Concentrate here, concentrate. Whenever they're asking a what like this, your imagination first columns, then only data. Columns means just here, first which columns you want means that columns you have to write it. Okay. Then only data we are filter it. Suppose here I want ename, salary, for example. 1 minute observe here. I want ename, salary. Whenever ename, location I'm asking also ename and salary practicing first. Ename, salary means how can I? Oh, maybe how can I display ename, salary means select ename, salary from EMP. Everyone knows. Now I don't want to display all the employees, all the salaries. Suppose who are getting a more than 2000 salary means 2000, 3000 is available in a which column we have to check it out. This value is available in a where, which column we have to check it out. That column we are using a what, where condition or not? Yes, here. That's why just we are using a what here, where condition. Filter the data means where condition. In a previous classes, you have an idea. Where column name, that relational operator, just they are using a what, that value means automatically it will be filter the data. That's why first is what, columns display, then only filter the data by using a where condition or not. Same like here also, they're asking a what is the query? Select a star from EMP is a table is there. Another table, select a star from DEPT as another table is there. Yes, ename column from EMP table. Okay, fine. But unfortunately, location is a column from, yes, DEPT table they're asking. That's why different table columns means compulsory we are using a joins. But which join they're asking? Equijoin they're asking. That's why first we are displaying a columns by using a joins, by using a group by using a normal queries, anything. But in this case, join is suitable. That's why first we are using a joins. How can I select ename, salary, and now here from EMPE, DEPTD. Here equijoin means common column based only E dot department number is equal to D dot DEPT number. Equijoin means is equal to operator based only. Okay, na? That's why common column based they are giving whatever thing is there, that one that is automatically displayed. Up to now you have an idea. In place of this salary we are using a what? Location is a column. Okay, na? Different table column or not? Yes, here. Whenever location is a column is there, just observe here employee name and location it will display. But I don't want to display all the data. Yes, here 14 rows are there. Now I want to display conditionally. That's why the data Chicago is available in a which column? Very good. Location is a column. The data is available in which column? Location is a column. That's why here we are using a what? Where clause. Where location is equal to which one? Chicago, like this only. That's why where location is equal to Chicago. Yes, very good. That is 100% correct. But unfortunately, what happened? Observe it here. Suppose here I want to filter the data, just I am also, you are also writing, how can I, where, logic is correct. Location is equal to which one? Chicago, like this, but unfortunately it won't work. Why it is not working means, logically location is equal to Chicago, correct also. How many where clauses are there? One, and also two where conditions are there. In any database system in the worldwide also, whenever we are using a select statement, any update statement, any delete statement, how many where clauses are there? Only one where clause. Within a where, any number of condition, but only one where is available. Where keyword is available only one time, not a number of times. That's why here join, we are specifying a where clause. That's why again we are not allowed to use where clause. That's why we are trying to execute like this. It won't work. In this case, how can I means, if you want to filter the data, in this case, always 8i join means after joining condition, if you want to filter the data without group by, if you want to filter the data after joining condition, just we are using a what in every database, and is an operator. That is, you are using or not, check it out purpose. And is an operator is there. Yes, you're very important. Yes, automatically it will display or not. And is an operator. If you want to filter the data after joining conditions in a Oracle 8i joins, and is an operator. But in a future 9i joins are there, ANSI joins. In that case, where clause also possible. Why? Because in those classes I am telling only joining condition means on clause is there in a future. Yes, 9i join side. That's why here where clause also possible, and also possible in a 9i joins. But 8i joins means there is no choice. Compulsory after joining condition. If you want to filter the data, then we are using a what? And is an operator. That is most powerful. Filtering the data is and very important. But unfortunately in our class, without any knowledge of this rule also, everyone writing a and very good, correct. Yes, and is a filtering a data after joining condition in 8i joins, but 9i means where clause also possible. 9i joins up to now you don't have an idea. That's why just first we have to write it like this. Then I am telling a theory. Then another queries you are writing is great. That is most powerful. This is the first one. Output also write it. Roughly first time, no? And operator underline it. Then that theory I'm telling. Where clause not required. In this query you are writing e dot ename, d dot location also not a problem. Your own wish. But I am not writing because common column is not there. No, just practice purpose, alias names here, alias name not there, also not a problem. Completed this one. Finished. Very good. So many fellows are first time also they are writing about this query. Second query you are writing means great. Why? Because that is totally different. Completed. Write a note, write it. In a future, some other concept purpose. Write a note. These notes are very important. Note. In Oracle said it. In Oracle, after joining condition, after joining condition, if you want to filter, data, filter data means receiving. If you want to filter data, then we must use AND operator. Then we must use AND operator within 8i joins. Within 8i joins. Whereas in 9i joins, we are using either and operator or where clause also. Why where clause possible means in a future 9i join means on clause is there. That's why possible. This point I want. Now very important query. That query in a future materialized use is a concept is there in that classes. I'm telling only. Now observe here D name I want to display next. Observe, don't write it. But here group function I want to display, sum of salary I want to display. Suppose for example, this is a report I want. D name is a column from which table? DEPT table. Salary is a column from which table? EMP table. But group function values I want to display. Suppose D name accounting. This accounting and now some sum of salary I want to display. Again here sales is a department name. So now here yes here some sum of salary I want to display. Okay, anything also sorry. And now here anything also some sum of salary I want to display like this. Okay, fine. Again I want to, so now here yes research, okay, anything also. So now here I want to display some sum of salary I want to display like this, for example. That's why each department name wise sum of salary, but D name is available in where? DEPT table. Sum of salary is available, salary is available in where? EMP table. This is a report I want. Very important. Maybe you're writing first time means great. Write it. This is most interesting concept. Write a query. These queries are important. Write a query to display D name comma sum of sal, screen observe. D name comma sum of sal from EMP comma DEPT tables by using equijoin. Anybody writing means great. First time newcomer, maybe try it. You take your own time, 1 or 2 minutes only. Your own time. Take your own time and write it. Because this query is most powerful. In a so many example side in a future, some other concept side, this query we are using. Write it your own way. Maybe some fellows are guessing, I think. Previous days concepts related. Write it your own way. Very good. 2 persons are writing, Niranjan and also Prasant. Very good, correct answer. Others also, you are also writing correct. Very good, correct. 3 persons are writing, 100% correct. Maybe try it all of them. because these queries interview questions also. Maybe in a olden days, anybody attending a what classes means maybe. That's a first initial classes slowly why I'm telling is that is a basic fundamental. No, that fundamentals you are good means these all the things easy. Last 1 minute, sorry, last half minute. Maybe try it your own way. What is the problem with the database means? Database means your own way you are writing means then only into your asking any queries means you are writing. Otherwise, pen is not moving. That is the problem. Practice is most powerful. Very good, Vijay. You are also writing correct. Pratiksha, correct. Shy, slight difference only. Not a problem. Ajay, slowly try it. Remaining things are there. Not a problem. First time. Okay. First time I'm not expecting a what 100% correct. Okay, just we are trying only because learners means practicing, you know. Yeah. Trying is important. Observe here how much is observed here. Simple, that easy. So many times I am telling you what these type of concepts. Okay, fine. What I am telling me is observed here. So many times I am telling in a olden days, what I am telling you are observing or not. That is the beauty of the where those queries only. What is that one means? In a previous classes, anybody attending means I am telling select. Yes, observe the same stories I am repeating. You are observing or not? Individual group function. Group function is there. Individual. That's why group function report said very easy. Individual group function means there is no problem. I am telling or not in a olden days. Again, what I am telling, this group function with normal columns we are trying to display. For example, like this only department number olden days. I am telling impossible. I am telling why because internally group function means all values are executed at a time. But okay, normal column is record by record executed. That's why it won't work. Synchronization is not there. It won't work. I am telling in a olden days. Now immediately in these type of queries, immediately you are a good programmer means immediately you are using a what? Group space by. Group by other than group function column. Which column is there? Department number. This is the way in a olden days queries I am writing. Not today, olden days. In a previous days queries we are writing only. But unfortunately, this is a report. Department number, sum of salary. That's why group function with another column is compulsory group by. Yes. But unfortunately, in this case, I am asking not a department number. Suddenly, in my report, you are observing or not, in place of department number, I am asking a what? D name I am asking. Slight difference. Yes, what is the report I want? In place of department number, D name I want. But unfortunately, D name is a column from which table? Very good. DEPT table. Salary is a column from which table? EMP table. That's why, yes, different table columns we are retrieving, joins are required. Not only joins, group by clause is required. That's why this query is a joins and group by clause combination. But unfortunately here, joins means where condition in a 8i joins. Where condition we are using a before group by or after group by? Very good, before group by. That's why before group by only we are writing a join. Finished, nothing is there. That's why here only we are writing a what? Join. How can I? From EMPE comma DEPTD where E dot equijoin, E dot department number is equal to D dot DEPT number. Here we are not allowed to use and. Yes, group by we are using means under by we are not allowed to use only. That's why direct group by clause query this one. Yes, here now check it out. Column ambiguity defined here D name no. So now here which column? D name is a column. And now here observe it here automatically D name. Sorry. Now here yes select group by here D name. Yes, here D name only column. Now check it out. Here just we are embedded a what here D name is a column from DEPT table. First joins only we are writing. Other than group function column, which column is there? D name is there. This is the query we are writing like this only. Now here check it out. Yes, here automatically beautiful output only. D name comma sum of salaries there or not. That's why group function with the column anybody asking me don't mistake. Why? Because that's 100% group by 100%. But before group by joins are required means where condition write it. After group by filtering means having class write it. Nothing very easy. That's why previous classes group by those classes 2 or 3 classes. Why we are spending that much of time is reason is there. These type of things understandable purpose. Write it this one fastly. Very good. So many fellows are writing in our class. Very good. First time they are writing is really good. Here in newcomer also don't worry. Non-technical persons don't worry. Slowly practicing means you are also understandable. Nothing is there. 1 or 2 time practicing means easy. Output also write it. Output also write it. First is join, then only group by no. Yeah. Output. Here other than group function column, whatever column is there, that column. But equijoin they're asking me is where condition equijoin we are writing. Okay, yeah. Only group by, but group by we are using means and don't write it. Okay. Normal filtering means and, but group by class this one means we are not allowed to use any and all this. Now, don't mistake only. Now I am asking a small thing only. Maybe you are only all persons are, all students are, all employees are today in our class only correctly they are telling, I think. Suppose this report is there. Okay, fine. In this report, not only D name, not only sum of salary, I want to display department number. Tell me fast. Here I want to display department number column also. I want to display in this report only. Now that's why outputs I am writing only. In this D name and sum of salary along with this one department number I want to display. How can I? Very good. Here we are using a what? A department number column. Very good. A department number column. But whenever I am executing this query, it won't work. Why? Because other than group function column, how many columns are there here? 2 columns are there. But after group by here only 1 column we are using. That's why here yes, not a group by expression is an error. It will be written. That's why you are a good professional means here also we are writing a what? Here department number comma D name. Now this query is working. No, again this query is not working. Why? Because other than group function column 2 columns we are using also here. Again after group by 2 columns we are using also. One problem is there. What is that one? This column is a what? A common column. Common column we are okay. So now here we are displaying after select means ambiguity error is occurred. That's why for avoiding ambiguity compulsory we are using a what? D dot department number or E dot department number we are using. That's why I try to execute this one. Yes, here column ambiguously defined is error. It will be written. Just observe it here. Yes, here column ambiguously defined is error or not. That's why you are a good professional means here we are using a what? Avoiding ambiguity purpose D dot DEPT number. Otherwise E dot department number also possible in this case, not a problem. Now here check it out. Automatically correct output or not? 10, 20, 30 D name sum of salary. That's why based on the requirement we are using only simple. How much easy? Write it fastly. Just some other thing only. Department number also I want means second example. Example 2. Just extension like this. These two column underline it, these two column underline it. That's why just previous day's concept group by, within that one joins we are using nothing. Outputs also write it. Completed. Having means not working. Okay, after group by we are using a having next. Don't worry. Before group by not working, no? Yeah. In 11G special editions are different, but normally not. Completed. Fast. Hello, completed this one. Now concentrate. Next query, you are only tell me. These are all entry questions. So now here, check it out. Finished. Fastly write it. Yes, now check it out. Next query, practice purpose, you are only writing because practice is very important. Why? Because now onwards, queries, okay, in a future sub query chapter is their big chapter. These are all the things helpful. Suppose now so many fellows are attending interview, some interviewers intelligently they're asking. Actually, in my company is there. In that company, so many locations are there. My company branches are there. And also so many number of employees are working in my company only. Okay, fine, observe here. Now here, this is a report I want only. Now here, check it out. Actually, in this location, Mumbai is a location is there. In that Mumbai location, my company side, how many number of employees are working? Now here, observe here. Mumbai is a location is there. Now in that location, okay, 230 employees are working in my company. Again, okay, so now here Hyderabad is a location is there. In that one, now here 423 employees are working. Again here Pune is a location is there. In that one, now here yes, 200. Okay, so now 10 employees are working only. Yes, same like a what? Yes, here in my company location and number of employees, your EMP DEPT tables also. Location is a column is there. Number of employees column is there. Observe here, suppose here select a star from EMP, number of employees are there in EMP table, and location is a column is there. No, select a star from DEPT is a table, location is a column is there. That's why in these each location, New York, how many number of employees are working, Dallas, how many number of employees are working, Chicago, how many number of employees are working, Boston, how many number of employees are working, I want to display. Write it, very easy query. Write a query. Write a query to display number of employees in each location. In each location means LOC. In each location from EMP, DEPT tables by using equi-join. By using equi-join. Write a query to display number of employees in each location from EMP, DEPT tables by using equi-join. Write it at least today last query, this one write it, then only some extension of that one, then only another non-equi-join extension, then we are starting self-joins. Self-join also big concept, remaining all things easy. Easy. This one, location is there, number of employees means count star, very good. That one, your imagination means finished. All are writing or not? That is easy, same like a previous case. Same, copy paste. LOC is a column is there. Number of employees means count star. Group function with column means compulsory group by. But in this case, different table columns, EMP, DEPT, they're asking. That's why joins. That's why first is where class joins, then only group by, simple. Completed? Nobody mistaken, I think. Very good. Sumed, you are writing 100% correct. Very good. Niranjan, you are also writing. Very good. That's why all are writing a what correct way. Now here. Why? Because the same, just practice purpose, nothing is there because non-technical persons are there. They are writing only queries. That's why just a small easy queries we are writing means just they are also interesting. Select which column, location, comma, yes, number of employees, count star, otherwise d dot location, not a problem. Yes, here, but group function with the normal column is it won't work. That's why group function with yes, here normal column is it won't work. In that case, group by compulsory. And now here before group by this location is a DEPT table, count star number of employees, EMP table. That's why joins EMPE, comma, DEPT D only. Equi join they are asking me is a common column based E dot DEPT number is equal to D dot department number. Our own conditions are not working. Here after that one group space by other than group function column, which column is there? Location like this. This is the way we are using only. Now I try to execute this one, copy, and now here check it out. Here I try to write this query. Location New York 3 employees, Dallas 5 employees, Chicago 6 employees. But I want to display highest number of employees are working in a where which location that data I want into your asking only. In that case, joins extension subqueries we are using. That much of powerful. These are later is helpful extension, but just idea purpose I'm telling only this one. First time, no? Yes, write it fastly. Output also write it. I want outputs. Very good. 2 members are writing. Very good, correct. Just nothing is there. Group by clauses within that one where clause. This type of way we are practicing is dead easy. Okay, na? Up to this one today is enough. Again, tomorrow this extension having clause, okay, so roll ups, those are so many things. Fastly, I'm telling only after that one non-equi join, some other concept is there that is okay, different in a Oracle side, that one. And then self join, we are starting self join one model. I will tell you. Okay, tomorrow I will tell you remaining. Up to this one, practice it. Okay, remaining tomorrow I will tell you. Thank you. Some more time they are asking me, so I have no energy because so many classes I'm taking, daily 6 classes. Okay, not a problem. One of the day, so much of time we are spending. Okay, remaining tomorrow I'll tell you. Practicing purpose, subquery chapter side, don't worry. In that classes we are telling us something, you are only writing queries. Okay. Big chapters are the subquery, that is most powerful. These are very easy joins. Up to this one, some stage slowly practice it. Okay, because one of the stage all are same. Okay, thank you. Tomorrow we'll continue.